How to create new ad account on Facebook Business Manager. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to create new ad account on Facebook Business Manager. Go ahead to facebook.com and log into your Facebook account. Click on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen and select your Facebook page. Click on it to open it and switch to your Facebook page. Once done, on this left panel, scroll down and you will see the variety of options. Now on the left panel, click on your page name, scroll down and select Meta Business Suite. Once you have opened it, select the settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now on the left panel, click on the Add Account which is under Accounts. After that, to create a new ad account on Facebook Business Manager, click on the Add button at top right corner of the screen. Here are the variety of options you can create a new ad account, claim an existing ad account, and request to share an ad account. Since we are creating a new ad account, click on the Create a New Ad Account option. Here are the details that you need to fill out for the ad account. Your ad account name. So let's keep an ad account name here. Once done, select the time zone on this section. You can easily scroll down and select the time zone, as well as the currency on the next option. Once you have filled out all the details, click the next button at bottom right corner of the screen, and on this section you need to select the uses for your ad account, whether that's for your business or another business or client. Once done, click on the next button and confirm or agree to the Meta terms of business or service and advertising policies on behalf of this email business portfolio. Once done, click on the Create Ad Account button at bottom right corner of the screen. And successfully you can see that under Ad Accounts we have already created the marketing ad account on this page. So in this way you can easily create new ad account on Facebook Business Manager and use this ad accounts to promote your business. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.